Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Uncle O Grimacy. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Uncle O Grimacy, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making an oval for one of the eyes. And you can see it's kind of at an angle. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to do the same thing over here for the other eye. Next, I'm going to make a line across each one. And then I'm going to make a circle inside each one. And I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. For the mouth, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up, and then up here. Then we're going to go down on each side. Then we're going to make this come up and then down here. We'll put a little line across here for the tongue. And a little line underneath here for the chin. Now, starting out here, I'm going to make the hat. So I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve out. We're going to come across here and then bring it in. Then I'm going to bring this side in a little bit and this side in a little bit. Then I'm just going to draw a line across to connect it. And up here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down, up, and then down here. Then we're going to make a line across here. And then right here, we're going to color in two little kind of curved lines for the eyebrows. Next, I'm going to bring a line down here, and I'm going to make it a little bit pointy. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come in at an angle on each side. I'm going to bring this down on each side. Then I'm going to curve this out on each side. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line out, and I'm going to curve this around. And then same thing here, I'm going to bring this out and curve it around, kind of like a hook. Next, I'm going to make a wiggly line down, and then I'm going to curve this back up. I'm going to make a line up here, and we're going to curve it around for his little walking stick. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out here, one here, and then one here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and curve around. Same thing here. We're going to bring this out and down, out and in, and we're going to bring this around and then connect it. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then this line down. We're going to connect it here and bring this down and connect it for the vest. Then let's draw just the outline of that vest right on the inside. So we're just going to kind of make that same design right in here. Next, as I bring this line around, I'm going to make it kind of pointy and zigzagged. Then I'll make a couple little lines that come down here. Then I'll make a line that comes up with a few points here. Same thing here, bring this up and I'll make it come down with a few points. Make a couple little points here. Then we're going to bring this line up with a couple points, just to make it look like it's kind of furry. Next, I'm going to put a circle on each side for like a little button. And then I'm going to put 2 little dots inside of each one. And then I'm just going to make a couple little oval shapes right across here for like a little chain to connect it. And there you go. There is your drawing of Uncle O Grimacy, which is Grimace's uncle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.